I want to be remembered as umuntu who respected the sport of boxing. Ngomuntu ochinjwe life yakhe ngamanqindi. Boxing has changed my life. And ngomuntu that wants to plow back to the community. So when I'm done with the sport, I will be there for them.
Yeah. This very like a
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, man. That was Solani. Last point, Tete.